Utah Family Law LC is in the business of providing family law services so good that clients happily pay for them. We do that, and differ noticeably from most lawyers, by doing the job that true professionals are not merely obligated, but desire to do. That means
every member of the firm, from attorneys to support staff, want to do for the client what we would want and do for ourselves. Or are we in the client's shoes? No more, no less.
in the client's service we are efficient, studious, attentive, resourceful, and zealous.
In other words, we do our best for the client, bearing in mind that we are not omniscient, and that if one insists on waiting to act until everything is flawless, then we would necessarily either do next to nothing and or fail to capitalize on golden yet fleeting opportunities.
For such a level of service, we are paid well, in full, and on time, because we are a business and not a charity.
The individual attorneys of the firm provide pro bono service, but we choose to provide it through channels other than the firm because if the firm handled pro bono cases, they would conflict with our mission.
This is why the individual attorneys the firm's employees fulfill their pro bono duties supporting projects and causes of their own choosing and not as a component or condition of their employment with the firm.
We do not expect paying firm clients to subsidize our attorneys' pro bono work.
We are neither prostitutes nor fools. We do not at any price argue or advance a position that is self-serving, immoral, inequitable, illegal, irrational, and or unethical.
Neither do our clients if they wish to be and remain our clients.
We are aggressively reasonable. Aggression in an attorney is by itself no virtue and does a client no good. Similarly, reason is worthless unless acted upon. Accordingly,
we do not back down out of fear or sloth or apathy from a fight you can and should win, so long as you accept the risk and pay the price.
Neither will we encourage the client to engage in battles the client cannot or should not win, just to line our own pockets. We only keep the money we earn. When negotiating, we encourage the client to treat his adversary as he would have him treat the client, and to expect the same from the adversary.
This golden rule approach is not only virtuous, but shrewd, economical, and usually the surest, safest course of action, whether you eventually settle or go to trial.
we give the client our honest opinions, even when we and or the client may not welcome them. You may not always like our opinions or advice, but you can always trust it.
Christian principles and those of both the Utah Constitution and the Constitution of the United States of America guide our efforts to make Utah's grossly fickle body of family law serve not only the client's best interest, but the best interest of every member of the family.
We are inspired by standing for the good and by those who stand for good.